Morning guys, so I got Benny with me today. We've just done a run up here. We're going to hit the creek again. We got a receding tide, receding hairlines as well. So I was working on that joke on the way up, so give us a bit of love for that. But no, we're just going to hit some mangroves. We're going to do a bit of skip casting, throw some top water, see how we go breaking it down. Some high tide now, run out all day, then a high again to Savo. But hopefully we can get some fish. Chasing jacks is the main thing, and maybe some trevs, stuff like that. But let's start skipping, let's start popping, see what we can get. Yep. I think it's a brim, or it's a little jack.
Brim. Brim.
He's a reasonably sized brim, but.
Oh, that's a good brim.
First fish of the day on the G splash. Gone. Said he was reasonably sized, eh? He really wanted it. Oh,
Now it's skipping.
it's a ripper, eh? Oh, I've seen that move. It's all yours.
I didn't get it behind that log. I had its tail out of the water or something. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hang on, we can turn. Not anymore.
It's alright, give it a bit more warm up. That was promising.
Yeah, but we got a problem now. We're going into the snag. Help us, Ben.
Yeah.
I just thought I'd give it a little touch and it just decided to go. Maybe your voltage. Could your voltage be too high?
No.
No? Oh, something spooked then.
Just give it a bit.
Yep. I think it's another brim.
Looks like a brim. Fucking brim master today. A good brim.
I know. Yeah, I'll keep him on to attract the others for you.
No, please don't.
Yeah, second brim. Good size. Probably about 30. Just on that little popper. Once again. They're crunching it. He was not letting go of that. Oh god, that's in there. There you are. Yeah, probably 28. Reasonable size. Straight in those little mangroves. One more brim, mate, and I've got a video. Hallelujah.
Sounds very sad, but
She's...
that's for dead.
Yeah, but
Give it some more time.
we're getting somewhere. We were able to turn left and right then before we could just turn right.
Take us in there.
Oh, sorry. I'm blown away by the potential of it working again.
Sounded very sad, didn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't happy about life.
It's gonna be a bit hot today, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's meant to be 32 today. Come on, we need more than just 2 brim and a fucking jack miss. Oh my god. Oh my god. That push water, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know what that was, but it was pushing it. Brim.
Yep.
Oh, I got him. I was still trying to work the lure. Definitely what wasn't there before, but alright. Another decent brim. Oh, please don't do that. Oh my god, Ben, what are you doing? Little adjustments. You're like, oh, Mindy goes brrr. Oh my god. No one cares about brim. Pretty much it just flattens out after where we are right now. So we'll probably cross over and then work up the other side. Rigged this one a little bit too far forward, so it keeps doing that now. Nose diving itself. Because these are the custom made ones. It sits alright, but every so often it just nose dives. See how well they skip? Fucking rockets in. I'd say as good as a frog. Something in there, eh? Oh, it's kind of just waiting for that just to crunch. I thought that was a decent cast by me to get in there too. Like that.
Oh, takes in there. I'm wrapped up. You got me around the back.
Gone. That was a really good spot back there too. Good hit.
There's no way, he went straight underneath the log.
Did it feel good though?
Yeah.
So, one sec. Right here, look at this spot. What I wanted to hit. I was about to hit it, but I didn't obviously have the chance because someone's like, yep, on. And you're like, go, 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 go.
Yeah, go skippy boy.
No, keep diving. I didn't try that last time through here.
Hey?
I didn't try this last time through here. I always did what you're doing, top water or skip. Oh, gotta be a cod. No, there's a flathead.
There's your flathead.
Jesus, I'll get a meal out of that. Just trying to get a bully. Quick release. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he was just sitting at the mouth of this point. Oh, there's flathead in here. Not where you expect him to be on the sandbars, but on the old mangrove ledges. Oh my god. That sounded terrible. Zzz. We've been throwing the squirrels a lot. What's really happening? And I could probably just, instead of having to fucking constantly re-rig, could just cast this out, let it sink, and then just slow roll it. Oh, come on.
Ooh, you go there.
Flatty. Of course it had to be. A really big flatty. Well, there's fish here.
Yeah.
Alright, so finally got something else going. Just that flatty. Nothing too exciting. Just rolling over a rock bar. We've had no hits on the squirrels or anything. Just thought I'll just hop that off the bottom and he just jumped straight on. But it's been a bit of a grind. Like, we're catching fish, but they're few and far between, and they're not red. They're not what we're after, but yeah, we'll let this guy go. We'll just keep pushing up further and further, and we'll just see how far we can go. Hopefully we can get one to show you. Are you bringing something towards you? Or are you moving us?
I don't know.
Are you lifting something, man?
Got a big branch.
Strong FG.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
What the fuck is that?
I think you got a stingray.
Dude, follow it.
You got a massive stingray.
We'll take us over.
I'm just videoing.
We'll take us over that rock bar.
Alright, so Benny's hooked onto something big. I'm calling a big ray, but he's calling a big shovel nose. It's just stripping line. Well, we'll see what he gets. It's interesting.
definitely not on its bounce.
Where was it?
I don't know. I was asking you. So you can swim free.
That was a fucking massive turtle, but he ended up just breaking it off. We were just bouncing some plastics off a rock bar and he just foul hooked it, so would have been his first, I'd say first fish, but I think they're a mammal, so. Are they a mammal? Reptile, first reptile, so. Yeah, we're just waiting for this tide to change so we can get out here. We're kind of stuck in by some rocks and some sandbanks. So hopefully we can pick up a jack on the incoming tide. We've got some areas we want to hit again and stuff, and yeah, if not, it's just going to turn into a brim and flathead. So yeah, let's just see what else comes. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is big, this is big, this is big. Oh. Holy fuck.
Oh, electric.
Alright, there he is. Not far off calling it. So he has gone 47. So just on this mangrove, literally right next to us. Just beautiful fish. Hopefully we don't drift into the mangroves. Yeah, he's gone 47. So we've tagged him, we're gonna grab some photos, give him a swim and send him on his way. But yeah, we've done a lot of casts today in his first jack, but shit, it's a good one. It really is. Absolute weapon, took me straight back in. And then, yeah, I was lucky enough to get him back out. But that's awesome. Alright guys, sorry about the sun, but you get that. So that's all. That's what he came on. So that's just a J-Flash, J-Shad thing. Just those. Nothing too exciting, but just chucking it into the mangroves behind us. We're on our way out, heading back to the ramp, and yeah, just plonked it in there. I'd love to say I got one on a skip cast, but I'm still yet to achieve that, even after putting in some good skips all day. But just plonked it in. He was there ready to go, and he just jumped on straight away. Wasn't even really ready for it. Was just thinking about trip home and talking about where we want to hit next time. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But I'll swing these around. I'll sort of show you what we're throwing at with the big camera. A bit of a better look to understand it. So basically we're in to get Ben's lure, but all this mangrovey stuff through here. We're in about 7 foot of water here. It just hangs right out. So the plan is just to skip in as close as we can. Just got to de-hook this for Ben. Alright, so all we're doing is we're just trying to throw it into like these mangrove roots like that. Just get it in the front edge, all through there. Just mainly get it as close as we can, and hopefully a fish comes out. But we've been doing it a lot today, and it's good to get a reward. He's a big fish. 47's really big for this sort of area, but it's always cool to see. But we got a little bit more before we call it. Yeah, but hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want. It's always free. We're probably going to call it after this. I don't think we'll get another one. If we do, well, you'll see that one too. But yeah, otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.